Welcome to Graycom Consulting, specializing in customized computer-based program strategies for your business needs. Microsoft Access is one of our key strengths for organizing large amounts of data in tables for custom reporting in one database. Here is an example of an interactive calculation table built within the database. As you can see, this tool gives us the option to capture many types of scenarios with auto form fill. Microsoft Excel is another one of our key strengths with the ability to create complex formulas and macros for worksheets. Here is an example of a simple worksheet showing formulas to calculate specific items along with a pivot table to graph your data. In addition, we also have experience in all Microsoft Office programs. We can help you empower your team with data tools and assist with reporting options to navigate in today's digital society. For more information, visit us at www.graycomconsulting.com.